In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a hatch scale that appears too dense or too sparse in AutoCAD. Hatch patterns are commonly used to represent materials, section views, surfaces, and other important design elements within a drawing. When applied correctly, hatches help improve clarity and make drawings easier to understand. However, there may be times when a hatch pattern appears too dense, making the area look almost solid, or too sparse, making the pattern difficult to see. When this happens, the drawing can become harder to read and may not communicate the intended information effectively. This issue is very common and is usually caused by the hatch scale not matching the size of the object or boundary being hatched. The good news is that AutoCAD allows you to quickly adjust hatch settings without having to delete and recreate the hatch. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method to correct hatch scale issues and make your hatch patterns look cleaner and more professional. So, let's get started. The first method is to edit the hatch scale. Select the hatch object that appears too dense or too sparse. Once the hatch is selected, open the Properties panel or use the hatch editing options that appear. Locate the hatch scale setting. If the hatch pattern looks too dense, increase the scale value. This will spread the pattern farther apart and make it easier to see. If the hatch pattern looks too sparse, decrease the scale value. This will bring the pattern lines closer together and create a more detailed appearance. After adjusting the scale, review the hatch and continue making small changes until it looks correct. In most situations, this is all you need to do. If the hatch still doesn't look right, try using a different hatch pattern. Some patterns are naturally more detailed than others and may work better depending on the size of the area being hatched. Choose a pattern that clearly represents the material or feature you want to show. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, select the hatch object and locate the hatch scale setting. Second, increase the scale if the pattern is too dense or decrease it if the pattern is too sparse. And third, consider using a different hatch pattern if the current one does not provide the desired appearance. Remember that there is no single hatch scale that works for every drawing. The best scale depends on the size of the object, the drawing units, and the level of detail you want to display. Taking a few moments to adjust hatch settings can greatly improve the readability and presentation quality of your drawings. Properly scaled hatches help communicate information more effectively and create a cleaner, more professional appearance. It's also a good idea to review hatch patterns before sharing, plotting, or printing a drawing to ensure they display clearly at the final output scale. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a significant difference in the overall quality of your AutoCAD projects. And that's how to fix a hatch scale that appears too dense or too sparse in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.